Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Finally, hit Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. In order to manage them, just tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!